Okay, I am recording with my Ace Pro, helmet-mounted Ace Pro, and we are going to check the telemetry overlay functionality. So I'm expecting this video to have telemetry in it for GPS, speed, elevation, all that good stuff, and then be able to use that in either the Insta360 video editing or the Telemetry Pro. There's been a lot of controversy here in the Philippines recently. They put out a memo where they're kind of cracking down on aftermarket exhaust on motorcycles. And there is a problem. There's a lot of really loud exhaust on motors here. See, I don't know what this guy's doing. Straight pipes and open pipes, and it's just annoying. I have aftermarket on my BMW. It's, to be honest, it's an eBay pipe. It's probably one of those pipes that's, you know, people buy them. I have the DB killer in it, so it's not too loud. It makes me a little bit louder. You know, they say loud pipes save lives, but I think there's kind of a limit to that. I don't think we need to be super loud 100% of the time. And I saw a video of a guy the other day. He was in the middle lane on the S-Lex, and the car on the left of him, he was passing on the right, to be honest. And then the car on the left decided to come over, and so a lot of people are saying, oh, well, if you had loud pipes, they know you're there. And in that circumstance, I honk. I'll give a little, not an obnoxious honk, but a little honk to let people know that I'm coming up in a blind spot. And that works pretty good, and I don't have to have loud-ass noise in my ear all day. I ran this pipe without the DB killer for a while, and I couldn't take it. Actually, I was on a ride. I think I was up by Subic or somewhere up there, SE-Tex, and pulled over and put it in. It was just obnoxious. But anyway, so, and the memo is not really very clear. Supposedly there's a certificate you can get from, I guess, more legitimate aftermarket pipe manufacturers, like your Akrapovich or however you say it. And I don't think this is my turn yet. I think I'm going to go one more. Yeah, just fucking pull right out. Really not a fan of the tricycle drivers here. So it remains to be seen how that's going to be enforced. So they're not really, you know, they're concerned more, I guess, about possibly emissions. And the whole thing's kind of funny when you think about what you see on the road here in the Philippines. It's really amusing. But, you know, it's not just a concern about noise. I think it's my turn. It's also about emissions and safety and all this stuff. So, used to, it was noise compliance. They'd put your bike up a couple thousand RPM and measure you, and you need to be 99 dB or below. And if you weren't, you had a problem. Impound your bike. But now they're saying, even if you have just an aftermarket pipe that's not quote-unquote approved or certified, they can still impound. So I'm on an 800 here, which is definitely considered a big bike, and they've already kind of talked about some leeway for aftermarket pipes sold for big bikes and aftermarket exhaust systems. So we just kind of have to wait and see what happens. I saw a picture on Facebook today of a I don't know, CB150 with a SC Project exhaust on the bed of an LTO truck already. So we'll see what happens. Should be interesting. Let's see if we can go with this. For all my Western viewers, there is the world famous Jollibee. It's probably the most popular fast food franchise restaurant in the Philippines, serving chicken and spaghetti. It's got a bee mascot, which the kids love. Alright, now we're on Aguinaldo Highway right there. We got somebody, no fucking lights. Another motor up here, no lights. To be honest, I think LTO should be enforcing on these guys long before they think about enforcing pipes from a safety aspect. You know, you want to enforce your dB, that's fine. And noise levels, I get it. But there's a lot of issues that should be higher on the priority list for the LTO. Besides aftermarket pipes. Put a tricycle right up here with no frickin' light on it. Drives me nuts. Alright, so coming up here to East West Road, last turn. Hopefully we got telemetry. I'll be a little disappointed if we have to run this in Wi-Fi to get telemetry. I don't think that should be the case. Fucking dumbass. There you go. And if I'd have hit that guy back there, probably been my fault. But I wasn't defensive driving enough or whatever. Anyway, we are almost to where we need to go. I see the sign. We're going to pull in here and go see JD. And hopefully we got some telemetry. Later when I leave, there'll be less traffic and I'll run this camera in with Wi-Fi and see what the difference is, what's what on the video. Okay, here we are. That's it. Let's go into cameras. 20 minutes to get here on the nose, and we'll